So this is Friday's dictation where you have 3 sentences. So make sure you've got the word dictation at the top with the 21st of August as the date. So your first sentence is, I have lost my school socks. I have lost my school socks. So let's break it down. I have. Remember your capital letters and your full stops and your one finger spaces. I have lost my school socks. I have lost my school socks. Second sentence is one we had from yesterday. Pick up that stick. Pick up that stick. So have a look at what you wrote yesterday if that helps you. If you need to make a change, you make a change. Pick up that stick. And the last sentence, I saw 5 ducks on the water. I saw 5 ducks on the water. So we'll take the first 3 words this time. I saw 5. Ducks on the water. So let's go through that again. First sentence, I have lost my school socks. Second sentence, pick up that stick. Third sentence, I saw 5 ducks on the water. Use your eyes, make changes if you need to.